बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। बहरिया कॉलेजेस PNET. Our today's topic is on equilibrium. After this lecture, student will be able to understand what is equilibrium, what are the type of equilibrium, condition of equilibrium, state of equilibrium. A body is said to be in equilibrium if no net force act on it and acceleration must be zero. There are two types of equilibrium, static equilibrium and dynamic equilibrium. A body is in state of equilibrium when the resultant force exerted on the object is zero and the object is stationary. Like in this example, book is in stationary, and in a condition of equilibrium there are two forces, weight of the book and normal reaction of the book is equal to each other and opposite in direction, so they cancel all these forces and book is in equilibrium condition. A body is in a state of dynamic equilibrium, that means in a moving equilibrium when the resultant forces is zero and the object is moving at constant velocity, like object that is pushed by man. The pushing force and the friction force are equal but opposite in each other. This object move with a uniform constant velocity. It is in dynamic equilibrium. Condition of equilibrium. First condition for equilibrium, a body is said to be satisfy first condition for equilibrium if the resultant of all the forces acting on it is zero. Let number of forces 1 to number of forces n are acting on body such that all the sum of forces F1, F2, F3 and Fn must be 0. Sigma F is equal to 0, that means all the sum of forces must be 0. This symbol is called sigma, that means summation or sum of. The first condition for equilibrium can also be stated in terms of x and y component of force acting on a body if all the forces acting on x-axis must be 0, that means sigma Fx is equal to 0, and all the forces acting on y-axis must be 0, like sigma Fy is equal to 0, then object is in equilibrium. That is the first condition of equilibrium. According to the figure, two forces acting on vertical direction, tension of the object in a rope and weight act downward, both are equal and opposite. The sum of both these forces must be 0. Object is in static equilibrium. Condition of equilibrium. The second condition for equilibrium, according to this, a body satisfies second condition for equilibrium when the resultant torque acting on it is 0. The sum of all torque must be 0, then object is in equilibrium. Like in this figure, these two forces produce torque in a direction of clockwise and this force produce torque in a direction of anti-clockwise. All the torques must be 0, that means torque 1, torque 2 and torque 3. All the sum of these three torques must be 0, then object is satisfy the condition of second condition of equilibrium. Fan is in equilibrium because the centripetal and the centrifugal force act on fan is equal to cancel each other. Fan has constant speed that keeps the blade in equilibrium position. Thus, in a rotating reference frame, the blade have zero acceleration. It is satisfied second condition of equilibrium. Now we discuss the state of equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. A body is said to be stable equilibrium if after a slight tilt it returns to its previous position. The role of center of gravity. When a body is in stable equilibrium, its center of gravity is at the lowest position, like in this case. This duster is lying on a surface by the base side, and the center of gravity raised from its lowest position. In this block, the vertical line passes through the base from center of gravity. If it tilts, the vertical line then also passes through the base of the block. After tilt, it comes back its first position. Then this block is in equilibrium condition. Cone laying on the base, the vertical line passes through the center of gravity of the cone. If cone lies on a base side of the cone placed at any surface, it will be in stable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium. If the body does not return to its previous position when set free after a slight tilt, is said to be unstable equilibrium. If cone lies from the apex side, it is in unstable equilibrium. The vertical line does not pass through the apex of the cone. Pencils standing vertically, then it is also in stable equilibrium. If the block tilt slightly more than first type, now the vertical line from the center of gravity does not passes through the base of the block, so it is in unstable equilibrium. Third type of state of equilibrium is neutral equilibrium. If a body remains in its new position when disturbed from its previous position, it is said to be in a state of neutral equilibrium. The role of center of gravity for neutral equilibrium. The center of gravity of the body remain at the same height irrespective to its new position, like in a ball or cone laying on the side of the cone at the surface. In this situation, center of gravity of the cone remain at the same height, so cone is in stable equilibrium. Now your home task. Allah Hafiz.